Hey guys, welcome to today's video. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into WhatsApp making use of multiple numbers, which means I am going to be logged into my WhatsApp application making use of two numbers. Now to do that, go ahead and open your WhatsApp application. If you have that open, I already have one particular WhatsApp logged in. Let me go ahead and log in the next one. So you click on this three-dotted icon and then you go over to settings. Now you see this plus icon right here next to the profile name. You click on that. Then below you are going to see where it is written add an account. Select add an account. Now there are multiple ways to actually make use of WhatsApp. So go ahead and click on agree and continue. Now on this area you should enter your country code before you put in the phone number. So I'm going to click on this area and I'm going to do Nigeria. That is done. The next is to put in the phone number. So typing in the phone number, before I type in the phone number, I'm going to share something very quick. So apart from this method of login, you can actually use a second method to log in to your WhatsApp. So the second method is making use of another existing WhatsApp phone. So if you have a WhatsApp phone existing on a different device, you can always make use of that. So if you want to make use of that, you use a companion login. Now if you click on this three-dotted icon, you can see where it says link a companion device. Now let's go ahead and use this particular method before going to the second method. So to use this method, you click on that. Once you click on this method, it is going to bring you towards this area. And now once this area is open, all you need to do is to go ahead and link the device making use of a second device. Now from the second device, you open the device, you go to settings, click on the three-dotted icon and then you click on link a device. Now when you scan the screen, it is going to start loading the chats. So immediately the chats are done loading, you are going to start chatting with this particular set of people by making use of a linked or a companion device. So let's wait for that to load up. Now it has finished loading up. I can now start chatting with anybody. Now if you want to switch to the different account, click on this area and then you click on switch. But then I'm going to log out of this account and then show you guys the second method of logging in. So this account is actually active. Pay attention to the phone number. Now I'm going to go ahead and log it out and then show you guys the second method of logging in. So the second method of logging in, like I said, I already told you, if you want to use two different WhatsApp, go ahead and do this and make sure you have them logged in to two different phone numbers. So the second phone number is going to be, I'm going to put in my country code, which is Nigeria, and then I'm going to enter in the number that is this. Alright, once you're done, you click on next, wait for it to load up and you say yes. So after you confirm that this is your phone number, it is going to send an OTP to the phone and then you are going to start making use of it. So I just received an OTP which I am going to enter in. All right, so that is correct. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. So the code it just showed is actually the code I have created previously. So I have to enter that to make sure that it opens up and it is confirmed. So everything has actually confirmed. I am going to skip this because this probably I am going to skip this because you can obviously see it says I should log in my device, and if I want this, I can always create this later on. So I'm going to go ahead and skip. So I'm going to wait for that to load up and then we are good to go. Alright guys, so we have successfully logged into the second WhatsApp account and we can always switch to the other account to see if we have a new message. So I hope this is helpful. Let me see you guys on the next video and stay safe. Peace.